Okay, we're going to be in second uh, unit, not unit, second chapter of the first unit of seventh grade math, the online textbook. We're going to be looking at action and reaction. Again, we are getting into physics, the laws of the way physical things move each other, and how energy and all that stuff works into it. So it starts off with this example of how sometimes when people go rifle shooting, something happens that gives them uh, that type of injury right here. Okay, uh, something to think about. What kind of force would cause that energy? That what kind of force would cause that injury? I almost said energy. What kind of energy? What kind of force would cause that injury? Okay, so we're gonna be looking at Newton's third law. That when an object is applied force upon, it responds equally. So, um, I know you guys, have you guys ever seen one of these? Somebody will pick up this side, boom, it hits that, and then the equal amount of energy just goes through those and kicks this one back up, and that energy travels through the middle ones and kicks that one back up again. Again, that's just an example of force being applied, uh, action and reaction. So go and read these, look at these different examples of action and reaction. And again, I want you to answer these two questions with a paragraph each. All right, and you know how to turn it in. Go to the assignment, right? Uh, Here, let me show you. I'll show you Mr. Merrill's just to make sure we all remember. Okay, so you go to View Assignment, Add or Create, get a Docs, fill it out, turn it in, and that's how I will be receiving your work on this assignment. So that is pages 16 through 20. Whoops. 16 through 20, action and reaction. Talk to you later.